everyone, welcome to this channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a simple TGIF flyer using Photoshop. So now I'm going to go to my file. I'll be importing the picture I want to use for this design. I can just go here and I'll be dragging this picture to this place. As you can see that this picture has a background, and I would like to remove the background of this picture just like I've been doing before. I can just go to select and go to subject, select it, will select all this image here. Then I'll right click here, rasterize, and go to select again. I'll be inverting the selection here and then hit delete. Press Ctrl D to deselect. So I'm done with this, and the next thing I'll be doing here is I'll have to import the neat background I'll be using for this design. So I'll go to my files from here, then I'll be selecting this particular background, just drag it into Photoshop, increase the size so that it will cover this whole area, and move it down to this place. Hit enter key. I'll move this to be under this picture just like this. Then I can simply lock this background this way. So I'll just place this here. So I would like to copy this particular background. I can just select it and then hit Ctrl J on my keyboard. After that, I'll move this copied one to the front of this image. Then go to mask. This is my mask. Add the layer mask on it, and I'll select my brush tool from here, or you can simply press B on your keyboard and this will appear. So I'll just increase the radius of this my brush, and I'll change this to black from here, and I'll erase this like this. So it has satisfied what I want to do here. I can then go to my text key and input the necessary text I want to input here. So the first thing I'll be inputting here is thank God. Then I'll be highlighting this whole text. Once I highlight this whole text, I'll change the color of this font to probably a yellow color. I can just change it to yellow like this. Then go to my move tool and increase the size of this a bit, make it to be at the middle. Then I'll have to take another text, Ctrl J, then move this down a bit, click it 3 times, highlight, and then edit. Friday. So I'll highlight this text like this, go down to my drop down menu of my text to select the particular font I would like to use. So at this point I'll be using this font. I'll increase the size of this. Once I increase the size of this, I'll have to press enter key, press Ctrl J again to copy this, move it below, press Ctrl J again to copy it again and move it below. So after everything, I'll have to press Shift key to merge these two together. I can just press Ctrl G on my keyboard and right click here to merge the group. After all is done, I can just move it under this picture. Then I can simply increase the size depending on my choice. So at this point now, I would like to make a little edit on this particular thing. So I can just hit good, this mark good here, right click here to convert this layer to smart object. Then go to my filter, go to noise, add noise. So I can simply add noise to this text. and increase it this way. And I hit OK. So after everything, I can just adjust this particular one. So after everything is done, I'll be importing another new material from here. Bring this in here. So I'll remove the background of this by going to my selecting the subject, and the whole of this place will be selected. Then I'll right click, rasterize the layer, then inverse the selection and hit delete. So I can simply move this, select this particular one, then move it to the side this way. And I can also copy this, move it to the other side like this. Then add a little note under this design. So I can just pick my text, then add it here. So at this point, I can just simply highlight everything that is here and make it to be at the middle. Then reduce the spacing between the word like this. And also I'll change the color of this to probably a lighter yellow color. And then OK. So I can just move this down here, reduce the size a bit, then go to my shapes. At this point, I'll be selecting a rounded rectangle tool, then draw it to be above this particular this thing. Then I'll be moving it under this text like this. So this is how this flyer was created. This beautiful flyer was created. If this video was useful to you, I'll be expecting your comments in the comment section how useful this video is to you. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on new tutorials concerning graphic design.